Learning to program can feel like trying to climb a mountain. It's daunting, and many beginners give up before they reach the summit. But what if there was a powerful tool that could help you ascend faster and more efficiently? That's where AI comes in. Imagine having a knowledgeable guide by your side, offering suggestions, catching your mistakes, and making the entire journey smoother. This is the reality AI brings to aspiring programmers. AI tools like GitHub Copilot act as your coding companion, providing real-time code suggestions, auto-completion, and even explanations for complex concepts. These tools analyze vast amounts of code to understand patterns and best practices, enabling them to assist you in writing better code faster. This makes the learning curve less steep and the entire process more engaging. No longer do you have to spend hours scouring through documentation or forums for solutions. AI can provide instant help, letting you focus on understanding the logic and structure of your program. This new paradigm of learning with AI is not about replacing human programmers. Instead, it's about empowering them. AI tools handle repetitive tasks, identify potential errors, and suggest optimal solutions, freeing you to concentrate on the creative and problem-solving aspects of programming. This allows you to grasp fundamental concepts more quickly and build confidence as you progress. So if you've ever felt intimidated by the prospect of learning to code, rest assured that AI is here to make the journey not just possible, but enjoyable. There's a growing ecosystem of AI tools designed to aid programmers, both beginners and experienced. One prominent example is GitHub Copilot. Developed by GitHub and OpenAI, Copilot integrates directly into your code editor, acting as an intelligent pair programmer. As you type, Copilot suggests entire lines or blocks of code, predicts your next steps, and helps translate comments into functional code. It's like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, offering guidance and best practices. Another powerful tool is Tabnine. Similar to Copilot, Tabnine leverages AI to provide code completions and suggestions, but it goes a step further by supporting a wider range of programming languages and IDEs. Tabnine also allows you to train its AI models on your own code base, making its suggestions even more relevant to your specific projects. These tools are constantly evolving, becoming smarter and more intuitive with each iteration. Beyond code generation, AI tools are also being used to enhance other aspects of programming. For example, there are AI-powered debugging tools that can analyze your code, identify potential bugs, and even suggest fixes. AI can also assist with code refactoring, helping you improve the structure and readability of your code. The availability and accessibility of these tools are changing the landscape of programming, making it easier than ever for beginners to get started and for experienced developers to enhance their productivity. While AI tools can significantly enhance your learning journey, it's crucial to use them effectively. Here are some practical tips to maximize your learning with AI. 1. Start with the fundamentals. Don't rely solely on AI to write all your code. Focus on grasping fundamental programming concepts like variables, loops, and functions. Use AI tools to supplement your understanding and explore different approaches. 2. Understand the suggestions. Don't blindly accept every suggestion from AI. Take the time to understand the logic behind the suggested code. This helps you learn new techniques and strengthens your understanding of the language. 3. Experiment and iterate. AI tools often offer multiple solutions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different suggestions and see how they impact your code. This iterative process helps you learn and discover the most efficient solutions. 4. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to mastering any skill, and programming is no exception. Use AI tools to tackle coding challenges, work on personal projects, and build a portfolio of your work. The more you code, the more proficient you become. The impact of AI in programming extends beyond the learning phase. It's actively being used in real-world applications across various industries. In web development, AI can assist with tasks like generating website layouts, optimizing code for performance, and even personalizing user experiences. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, handling customer interactions, answering queries, and providing support. In the field of data science, AI plays a crucial role in analyzing large data sets, identifying patterns, and generating insights. AI algorithms can automate data cleaning, feature engineering, and model building, enabling data scientists to focus on interpreting results and making data-driven decisions. AI is also being used to develop innovative applications in areas like healthcare, finance, and transportation. These real-world examples demonstrate the transformative power of AI in programming. It's not just about making coding easier, it's about expanding the possibilities of what we can achieve with code. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's continue this journey of mastering programming with AI together.